Real Monsters, written by Nick Bishop.
What is it? What is peeking out from the moss? Is it a monster? It is a lizard. It is out and about, looking around. It looks here and there. But what is it looking for? Plip, plop. The lizard plods across the moss. It sees a frog on a leaf. The lizard is not looking for a frog. It plods away and creeps onto a branch. Wait! The lizard sees something on the branch. It is a snake. The snake spots the lizard. It leans across and looks hard. The lizard stops. It stays as still as a stick. It looks like a dry leaf. The snake slinks away. The lizard is safe. It plods on along the branch. It looks this way and that way and all around. Stop! What is that? The lizard spots something jumping in the grass. It is an insect. Zip! The lizard acts fast. It zaps the insect and sucks it up. Munch, crunch, chew. That is the end of the insect. The lizard has found its lunch.